As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, have you been looking at new grills lately? I'm trying to decide between the ChuMaste 3-burner propane grill and the Weber Q1000.
Oh yeah, I've seen both of those. What are you leaning towards?
Well, the ChuMaste is definitely cheaper, around $169, and it's got 3 burners putting out 30,000 BTUs. That sounds pretty powerful, right?
It does sound like it'd heat up fast. The Weber Q1000 is a bit more expensive, like $229. But it's a Weber, you know? They have a good reputation. It only has 1 burner, though, at 8,500 BTUs.
Right, that's what's making me hesitate. The ChuMaste has a bigger cooking area, too, like 464 square inches compared to Weber's 189. I like to cook for a few people at a time.
True, the Weber is definitely smaller. It's more for portability, I think. It only weighs about 27 pounds, while the ChuMaste is almost 52. Amazon's choice is what they say.
Good point. I do like that the ChuMaste has foldable side tables for holding plates and stuff. The Weber doesn't seem to have that.
Yeah, that's handy. But the Weber is fully assembled, while a ChuMaste needs some assembly. Also, the Weber has porcelain-enameled cast iron grates, which are supposed to be really good for even heating.
The ChuMaste says it has stainless steel burners and a built-in thermometer, which sounds nice, and it has wheels to move it around easier. I saw some reviews mentioning the build quality wasn't amazing, though.
That's good to know. The Weber has tons of great reviews. People seem to love how well it's made and how evenly it cooks. Plus, Weber's been around forever, so their warranty is probably solid.
Okay, you're swaying me. So even though the ChuMaste is cheaper and has more cooking space, the Weber's better build quality and portability might be worth the extra money. And the brand name is a plus.
Exactly. It really depends on what you're looking for. If you need something big and cheap, the ChuMaste could work. But if you want something reliable and portable, the Weber seems like the better bet, even if it's smaller.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.